This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone, welcome back again. My name is Anuj, and today we are going to learn about storage. In storage platform, we are going to learn about S3 and S3 Glacier. So these two are very important for certification and for corporate work. And in storage, we have EFS, Elastic File System, and AWS Backup. So AWS Backup and EFS is recently the launch, and as of now we are going to complete S3 and S3 Glacier. So we will start from S3 and then we will go for the CloudWatch. So let's start from S3 bucket. So S3 is a platform of storage. With the help of S3 bucket, mainly S3 is a simple storage is known as S3. In one account, you can create a maximum 100 bucket in your S3 bucket in your AWS account. And S3 is a simple storage. You can store your relatives and you can store your data anytime, anywhere in the cloud section in the AWS. So from starting, you will get 5 GB for put and 5 GB to get free of cost from the Amazon. After that, you need to pay some certain amount, and S3 is a very important part for AWS architect infrastructure. So let's start from the S3 bucket. How we are going to create a bucket. So as of now, we are going to create one website, and I have a code for that website. Without using any technical skill, as in fact 2 to 3 minutes we are able to create one website. Let's first we create the one bucket, and then we will put the in that bucket we are going to put some containers and contains like some stuff. Then we are going to run that stuff in the cloud section, and we are going to see how exactly a website is going to ready with the help of AWS S3 bucket. So let's start from S3. So this is, you can see this is the S3 dashboard, and I have already one bucket is there, but we are going to start from here. You need to click here to create the S3 bucket. So this is a platform where you need to give the you need to create your bucket name, and you need to select your reason. Anyway, if you are going to create the bucket, is at that time S3 is going to represent you global. You can see here in my screen on my screen the global is there. So in global section you need to give some unique name, a bucket unique name. If you give demo, is not going to take, because demo is already is there, so is not going to take. So if we are going, is already access, so we need to give some unique name which is not you is used in the global section. So we need to give first name. So I'm going to give demo lab 12121. You can give anything, and then click to the next. So next is a configuration portion where you need to give the request, or if you want to give the access to the different people, whatever the services are there to encrypt and all, you need to give here only. So keep versions are just a platform is going to upgrade, so not required to select anything from here. If you want to monitoring platform, then you need to click to here, because with the help of CloudWatch is going to monitor your cost. As of now, not required, anything not required. Then click to next. Then is going to ask you whether you want this bucket public or private. So as of now we are doing live section, so we are going to do is the public bucket. Then everything's perfect, is just ACL public and all, so I already given every public access only. Then click is going to review whatever the you given, then create. So anyway, we are going to one by one do this version, servers access and all. We are going to do later portion. So my bucket is now ready. You can see this is my bucket. Okay. Now my bucket is not public, so we will give the access in the later portion. So now you need to click to here, click. So your bucket is created. Then you need to put in that bucket some stuff. So as of now, we are going to create the static website. So we are going to upload the code. So I have already some code which is ready there, and I am just going to upload that code in this bucket. And if everything is uploaded and all, then we are going to give the access. So for that, you need to click to the upload section, upload, then add section. Here select permission and all. First we are going to give the we are going to upload. So you can see here, to upload a file larger than 80 GB using to AWS CLI, and this is a key. Actually, this is a part of key of Amazon tool is there. With the help of that, we can also give the access to the different portion, this different person. So we are going to click add. I have already code. I'm going to select all and open. Okay, then click to next. Is going to ask you permission. So here, like this is my email ID, so I am a owner. If I want to give the access to my different people, so I'm going to give the email ID. Suppose my colleague email ID is this, so he want read or write access. Read is going to only see the website. If I give the write, is going to download also something, or he is able to upload also. If I click to yes, so this is my Amazon account email ID, so that's the reason it's going to access. So you can give the different people from different from here. You can give your access to that person, just like a giving your bucket access to the your colleague or your friend. So here's asking the permission. So I'm going to take a public, because we are doing a lab portion. Then we given the access to my colleague, and this is my you can see this is my email ID because I'm owner. Read, write, access, everything is given the perfect. So next. So this is a standard format which is given by the Amazon. If you want to increase your space or your storage duration and all, you can take from here. So this is, we are using a demo lab, so we are selecting a standard only. It is a free of cost. Then encryption, we have some two types of encryption in the Amazon available. One is a master key, and this is the second is a KMS, key management system. So master key is just like a unique access key is there, which is we learned in our previous video in the AMI, identification access management, how to download the key. Then KMS is a key management system which is provided by Amazon only. When we are creating the user account, that time we are getting the key. So this is a tool also. We have some different tool in the Amazon. With the help of that, we are giving the access. For as of now, we are not going to take anything. So we need to leave it at all. Then next, we are going to review that upload. So it's going to take little bit time. Perfect. So we uploaded, and here my code is uploaded. Now we are going to property. Then property, because we are creating the static website, so we need to click here, and we need to give the index, because everything is already ready to here. You can see index is written .html. We need to write same only, index.html, and here you need to give same exactly error.html. Perfect. This is a link which we are going to use to see our website. Okay, and we need to save. So perfect. Versions is just like a keep the multiple version in the object in the same bucket. So versions just like suppose I have a one app. So my version is 0.2. Then I'm now going to upgrade that. Then 0.2, 0.3, 4, 5, 6. That is all called the versions. So same as it is in AWS. Also we have a version selectivity. Then we have a server access login. If you want to host your this website in the any particular reason or any particular platform, that time we need to take a server. So we are just doing lab portion, so we are not going to touch the server and object label and decrypt. So if you want to decrypt if you want to encrypt platform, then you need to purchase this key management and KMS tool. We need to take a help from there. Then tag is same. We need to give the name, transfer, request, pay, and events. These are like a top level things. So for beginner, this is not important. Only for this we need to give. Then access we already given here. Every access. So this is a thing. This is a platform where you can give the access to the your colleague or your friend or any people who have account in the AWS. For example, if you want to give, you can give enter the email ID, that customer account number, or else you can use the email ID. So you can give here then everyone, because we created the public website. So I given everyone going to access and see. So is given the perfect, then delivery is given. Everything is my public and it's a public now. I will go from this and I will go for the here. You can see my bucket name public California is ready. One bucket is ready. Now I'm going to show you the website. So you can see my screen. Minute is ready when my website is ready now. So this is about this I created for only just a simple one website. This code we use in this platform. So this is my code, and we given them certain credential. And once every credential and public permission is everything is perfect, with the help of that link, we just paste that, and the my website is now ready. You can say without any coding knowledge. If you do not have a code knowledge, also if you have a code, then you just upload and you can make your static website within a second. So this is a fundamental. With the help of this, we are creating the static website. As similar, simple, same. You can store your data also in the AWS bucket. Suppose you have some important data. So you created your bucket. You know how to create. You created your bucket. Now you want to create one more file. You can create a demo file. You can create and save. Okay, then you want to store your that like in demo file some important photos, important documents, important files and all. You can just click to upload and you can upload. So it just like you can say it just like a OneDrive or Google Drive, you can say a cloud section where you are able to upload your data. You can download anytime, you can upload your anytime. So it's very easy and very important part for the AWS infrastructure. So this platform is known as S3 bucket, is called the simple storage bucket. In interview questions or in certification question, you will get a question like that, how many bucket you can create in AWS account. So your answer is 100. What were the fundamental of is there in the AWS account in the S3 bucket, which tool we can use to give the access. You can your answer is CLI or SDK. Then you have some KMS. You have a credential. So this type of questions is they are asking the certification exam. What is a parameter is there? Then how you are going to create the bucket. Suppose I have some file and I want to put in the bucket. So first, what the step is there? So your simple answer is first we need to create the bucket. Then once bucket is created, then you can upload your upload your data in the that bucket. So this type of questions they are going to ask you, and it's very simple and very easy to work on the S3 bucket. Okay, then bucket is created, and I will tell you the Glacier platform. And for Glacier, we need a software. It's called the Fast Glacier. First, I will tell you what is Glacier. So Glacier is one of the most important part of AWS, and it's very low cost service provided by the Amazon. Is secured, reliable, and very flexible storage. Mainly, Glacier is known as archive. Archive is just we need to upload your data in the Glacier, and it's very cheap rate. The every data is going to save. For example, you have a one infrastructure, and in your infrastructure you have a one mainframe where all the data is saved, but you are getting a more critical. You are facing so many issues. You have a manpower. You have a some different kind of different infrastructure there. So it's mainly it's very costly. But if you migrating your data, every data in the AWS Glacier is going to very cheaper. So we have a two types of transferring the data from mainframe to the Glacier. We have a Snowball, and we have some software is there. We have some software is there like Fast Glacier, Triggerlost, so many applications are there. With the help of that, we are migrating all the data from the mainframe to the Glacier platform in the AWS platform. What is Snowball? So Snowball is just like a one small device is there. With the help of that, we are fetching the data from the mainframe, and with the help of mainframe, we are fetching all the data, and then we are again uploading to the AWS infrastructure for that person account. Now, uh, Snowball is for Snowball, we need to give the request to the Amazon people. They are coming, and you need to give your the some every detail to the Amazon guy. They will come and they will fetch all the data in the Snowball device, and they are going to upload every data in the AWS your account only. So that time every migration process is done by the Amazon. But if we are using the Fast Glacier for to upload the data, we need to download the Fast Glacier application. Once the Fast Glacier is application is ready, then with the help of your credential, we are going to log in. Then we are going to upload every data in the platform. So for this lab portion, we will learn later portion. As of now, we are going to start the CloudWatch. So this is a platform is known as a CloudWatch. This is my DAX board where we are created some previously we created some virtual machine, and we created some NAT gateway, Elastic Bean storage and all. That time I enabled the CloudWatch. Now, what exactly CloudWatch is there? Why we are using CloudWatch for the use in the AWS? So CloudWatch is just a monitoring tool. With the help of that tool, we are monitoring the AWS infrastructure. Is reliable, is flexible, easy to monitor each and everything in the AWS infrastructure. So CloudWatch, suppose you have an infrastructure, and you have some certain VMs, and you are getting more bill. You are not getting any alert, and you are getting more bill from the AWS. That time the AWS CloudWatch is going to help you. If we are going to enable that CloudWatch, with the help of CloudWatch, we are going to get a email notification. We are going to get a alarm system. We are going to get a billing portion. What exactly bill are there? We will set the budget also. We will give the rule also, matrix also. So lot of facilities are there which is given by Amazon CloudWatch. With the help of that, we are going to understand. We are going to manage our the billing section. We are going to give the alarm facility. We are going to monitor everything in our AWS infrastructure. So I created already one in my previous lab. I created one VM is called, the name is that EC name is lab demo, sorry, demo underscore lab, which we created previously. And you can see on my screen, everything is going to show you: CPU utilization, then average disks, networking. So you will get everything, every each and every status you are going to get from the CloudWatch. How many exactly my drive is work, how much my network packet is there, packet average is there, then is my system failure not, everything you are going to get from the CloudWatch. If you give the alarm facility, then you are going to get an email from the Amazon. So suppose I created and I given, I if my more than 30% is going, then I will get an email from the Amazon. So this is platform, with the help of that we are going to get an email from the Amazon section. So if we are talking about the billing portion, then we need to go to the Virginia first, and we need to click here from Virginia. So we have a billing event, then matrix. Matrix is a important part, because with the help of matrix, we are going to get a backup like last 15 days, maximum 15 days. We are able to take a backup from the AWS infrastructure. For example, you created any kind of VM, and due to some reason is corrupt, your system is going to corrupt, and you not activated your CloudWatch facility or backup like a snapshot and all. That time, in that case, you will get your backup from the matrix platform. Last 15 days you will get. Then rules, logs, and alarm and CloudWatch. So billing, we already came, and we will go here and we will see our billing. So you can see, so you will, in with the help of CloudWatch, we are able to monitor the billing platform also. Like suppose EC2, I get a dollar point $5 point 15. Router, I get a charge from $0.12. Then CloudWatch facility and all, total $6.22 dollar I get it. In Indian rupees, 434.87 Indian rupees I get it. Today exchange rate. And you will get to know what exactly, how many percentage you use your elastic beanstalk or computer elastic, and everything you are going to get from the here. So if you're talking about the alert and notification, we need, if you want to give your budget section also, you can give your budget section from the here. So with the help of this, you can explore, you can download your billing circle, yeah, in the PDF, or you can check your payment history. You can check your billing performance, what exactly bill, in which month you got a bill April, how much bill you got, then May, how much you got, which services you got more bill. According to that, we are going to manage our billing circle with the help of CloudWatch. So if you want to receive your on email PDF section, you can click to here and receive the PDF. Every PDF you can receive from there. So this for industry, if you know from CloudWatch, then lot of opportunities are there for the CloudWatch people. So it's very easy to learn also. You can learn, and it's easy platform. So this is a platform which costs a lot of tag. You can put your tag also with a different platform. Then you can get a report from here. So suppose I given the budget, suppose my cost budget is this. So you, if you want to set your budget, you can set your budget from the monthly, June, July. So it's easy to set your budget also. So monthly you want now, and my budget is, suppose I have my budget is only one lakh rupees, like 10,000 $1 lakh. So you can give explore from this month uncost use, you can give everything. So it's just like a budgeting system. With the help of this budget system, you can give the budget facility from in the AWS CloudWatch. So it's very good to learn, to understand CloudWatch. So mainly mainly the CloudWatch is known as a monitoring tool. With the help of CloudWatch, we can monitor the AWS infrastructure. We can check the billing portion. We can check the company health. We can check the in AWS infrastructure activity with the help of CloudWatch. So mainly this is known as a CloudWatch a system. So this is called the CloudWatch, and we have only one platform, which is the known as the AWS Glacier. I will tell you later portion, and we already cover the EC2 and every platform. So thank you. So thank you so much. We will we will cover the later portion in the upcoming section. So thank you so much. Have a good day. Goodbye.